Withings, a name you can trust. When it comes to your health, you can't cut corners. You need accurate information. You need reliable tools. Withings understands this. They are a leader in the connected health revolution. They make products that are innovative and easy to use. Withings has a wide range of health devices. They have smart scales, activity trackers, and more. All of their products work together. This helps you get a complete picture of your health. No more guesswork. Withings cares about your privacy. They use industry-leading security measures. Your data is safe and secure. You can focus on what matters most, your health. Withings is committed to quality. They use the latest technology. They design their products to last. You can trust Withings to help you achieve your health goals. The Withings Body Comp is more than just a scale. It is a sophisticated health tool. It gives you a deep understanding of your body. It goes beyond weight. It measures body composition, heart health, and more. The Body Comp uses advanced bioelectrical impedance analysis, or BIA. This technology sends a weak electrical signal through your body. It measures the resistance of different tissues. This allows it to calculate your body fat percentage, muscle mass, bone mass, and more. The Body Comp also measures your heart rate. It does this through your feet. It can even take an electrocardiogram, or ECG. This measures your heart's electrical activity. This is important for detecting heart rhythm problems. The Body Comp also assesses your nerve health. It does this by measuring your sweat gland activity. This can be an early indicator of nerve damage. This is often seen in conditions like diabetes. The Withings Body Comp works seamlessly with the Withings HealthMate app. This app is your personalized health hub. It tracks your progress, provides insights, and keeps you motivated. The app displays your data in easy-to-understand graphs. It also provides personalized recommendations. These are based on your goals and health history. You'll get tips on nutrition, exercise, and more. The HealthMate app integrates with other health apps. You can connect it to your favorite fitness tracker or nutrition app. This allows you to see all of your health data in one place. The app also offers a variety of health programs. These programs are designed to help you achieve specific goals. Whether you want to lose weight, improve your heart health, or simply live a healthier lifestyle, the HealthMate app has you covered. The Withings Body Comp is an investment in your health. It is a powerful tool that can help you make informed decisions about your well-being. It is perfect for anyone who is serious about taking control of their health. If you are an athlete, the Body Comp can help you optimize your training. It can help you track your body composition changes over time. This ensures you are on the right track to reach peak performance. If you are managing a health condition, the Body Comp can help you monitor your progress. It can help you see how your body responds to treatment. This allows you to work with your doctor to make any necessary adjustments. The Withings Body Comp is more than just a scale. It is a partner in your health journey. It empowers you with knowledge. It helps you achieve your goals. Invest in your health today. You deserve to live a healthier, happier life.